guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I missed you guys so much. It's been about a month, right? Vlogmas day 3 was the last time I seen you guys, and I am back. I know I say that every time. Y'all probably sick of me. But okay, so this is gonna be a little bit of where I've been. So let me tell y'all where I've been. Girl, I ain't been nowhere. I just been lazy. I've been procrastinating. I've really been trying to figure out exactly what I want to do with this channel. As if you've been watching my videos, y'all can already tell I'm a little confused about the direction that I want to go in. So I've been trying to figure that out. But I just want you guys to know I'm alive and I'm well. Okay, and to all my new subscribers, I remember when I did my 100 subscriber giveaway and little celebration, and then all of a sudden I looked up and it's almost 400 of y'all. Like, thank y'all so much. Like, y'all give me the 500, we're gonna have another giveaway. Okay, 500 subscribers, we're gonna have another giveaway. Okay, you guys, so I don't even know where to start. Oh man, it's like, I'm just gonna do some rambling. I don't think y'all care anyway. It's about 9:25. I had to work today, so I was like, I promised you guys on Instagram that I was gonna do a video. I was gonna do a video on, I can't even check on my phone what I was gonna do a video on. But I was gonna do a video on, I want to do an updated, how do you guys feel about an updated how I lost 200 pound video? I really want to do one, but I really want it to be super thorough. And I want to make it my goal to publish it around my birthday, which is February the 20th. But I just want to be very thorough. I feel like my first one, it was just really random. Like, I just was like, I'm about to do my makeup and get on camera. I didn't plan nothing out. I ain't writing nothing out. So I was like, this time I want to make one that's more professional, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. My cousin suggests I do some keto cooking videos. I just need some new material, girls. I just need some new material. So I'm gonna give y'all a little update on my life, where I'm standing, you know, my weight loss progress and my weight loss goals of 2020. Okay. I gained about, maybe about 18 pounds in December. I wasn't overeating. It was just I was eating things that were just really high in sodium. And y'all know I'm so sodium sensitive. So, you know, hold on, y'all. I'm thirsty. Sorry. By the way, if you do not drink enough water a day, if you do have something salty, even if it's healthy, like if you accidentally put too much salt on your broccoli, it will swell you up if you're not hydrated enough. So back to this bad boy girl. And my boyfriend came and he stayed 7 days, and we ate and we ate and we ate. We ate all types of pizza. We ate everything that was really, really bad. He got me popcorn tins for Christmas because y'all know I love popcorn. And I swole up like Miss Puff getting into a car accident, SpongeBob why type of look.
Oh, SpongeBob, why?
Okay. And I just recently got it off. And I'm like so happy, okay, that I'm back at 180. Y'all know my overall goal is 150. I'm gonna be 150 this year. And I'm just like, girl, it's so hard because I look at my body. And 1 minute I like, oh my God, this is perfect. And then the next minute I'm like, I wonder what I look like if I was smaller. But I think the thing is, when you lose a whole lot of weight, you get a lot of loose skin. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm looking at my loose skin now, and it looks like body fat. It really looks like body fat. And I think that's what's bugging me out. Like, I'm smaller, but it's like I still feel like I'm 300 pounds because of my loose skin. And my biggest goal this year, other than trying to get the 150, is to finally save up enough money to get a tummy tuck. Now, I had did a video on my loose skin and it deleted. No, I lied. I filmed it the wrong way and deleted it. So I was like, oh man, but that would have been a perfect video, you guys. Anyway, and I mentioned in that video how, you know, a lot of doctors really don't recommend you to get a tummy tuck until you have a kid. And I think that's the thing that's kind of been weighing on my mind. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not Beyonce. I don't have money to where I can go get a tummy, you know, save up $8,000 for a tummy tuck and then have a baby and then have to go get another one. Like, that would make me sick. Do you hear me? I get sick losing my CarMax. That's $1. So imagine you going to get surgery, cosmetic surgery. You know what I'm saying? Your insurance ain't paying for nothing. And you go get pregnant and now you gotta go get another mommy makeover. You know? No, ma'am. So I kind of been like, I don't want kids right now, but I don't got that type of bread to just waste. You know what I'm saying? So I've been thinking, like, I really don't know what to do in that situation, because I can think ahead and think positive, like, girl, by the time you get it done and then you do finally have a baby, it could be years and years later, you're gonna be set financially. And it's like, y'all, $8,000 a lot of money. I filed my taxes with one kid and I'm probably not gonna get that much back. Okay, so we'll have to see about that one. And yeah, so that's one thing that I definitely want to do this year. Okay. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye. My camera just fell, but that's kind of the plan.